Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change game visual mode on ASUS ROG Ally. Game visual mode is the mode of your image, so it provides the best optimization of graphics and the quality. And to change the mode, go to settings, then game visual, and now you can set it to default. Which is for all default for all activities, but you can set it to racing for fast games, scenery to fine tune the brightness, RTS or RPG. You can see that all of those have descriptions for them, so just choose the one you want, and you can see that it changes quite a lot. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.